For application, you'll need your Essenza tapes, your pliers, a tail comb, sectioning clips, your Velcro tabs, and possibly safety bands if you are doing one-sided tapes. The client should come in with clean, oil-free hair. If they have not, before applying the tapes, shampoo the hair with Great Lengths Clean Remover shampoo to remove any oils or product buildup. You can use conditioner on the mid-lengths and ends, but avoid the root area. If you have washed, blast the hair dry. The hair must be completely dry before application. Then section the hair according to the placement you want. You'll always start with the lowest section first and work up. Once sectioned, pin down any stray hairs with your Velcro tabs. Take a thin section of hair and apply your first tape to the top of the section 2 centimeters away from the scalp. When handling the tape, avoid the sticky tab so you don't get the oils from your fingers onto the strip. Lightly tap the tape so it sticks to the hair. Lift the section with the tape and pull away any extra hairs that haven't completely stuck to the tape. The tape should have an even amount of hair through the entire width of the tape. If it doesn't, just press down lightly again where it didn't catch to make sure you have a balanced selection of hair. When you lift the tape, you should still be able to see the tape through it a little. If you have too little hair in the tape, it may cause pulling and stress on the client's hair. If you have too much hair, the tapes will not properly stick together, and it will result in slipping. If you want a more subtle effect with your color in the two-sided tape, you might opt for one color on the top sandwich and another for the bottom. This will soften out the tones of 2 colors together. Great Lengths safety bands are single-sided tapes. You'll use these when you don't want a whole sandwich. For example, when you are working close to the temples and you want to add fullness without it looking piecey. To use the safety bands, apply your first tape on top as you would with a regular sandwich. Using your tweezers to peel back the adhesive safety band and carefully apply to the bottom of the selection of hair. Never apply the safety band on the top. It is shiny and is more obvious through the client's hair. Removal. If you are removing your client's tapes and not reapplying them, you only need a tail comb and remover spray. To remove Essenza extensions, in the case that you are going to reapply them, it's best to work in a pattern so that you don't mix up where the hair goes. For this reason, you want to start exactly as you applied them. Back left side, right side. To remove each tape, spray the top and the bottom of your tape, and then spray your tail comb. Push the tail comb through the center of the tape while pinching the tape with the other hand. Work the tail back and forth until the tape comes away. Comb out the residue. If you are planning on reapplying the tapes, peel away any tape residue and set the tape on the left hand of your hair holder. A good tip is to use a whiteboard marker and label your rows. Stack the removed tapes as you go, just as you applied.